Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Friday market breakdown. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to give you an update on the pairs that we spoke about on our last session, and I'm also going to be giving a breakdown on the pair that I'm focusing on for today. As you guys do know, today it's a Friday, so we are left with a few hours before the market closes. So, let us make the most of that time. So, the first pair that I spoke about on our last session was what the euro over the Swiss franc. Now, this one on the higher time frame, we do have this as our impulsive movement. This is what as our sideways corrective structure, and was anticipating for price to break out and impulse all the way to the downside, which it did, as you can see, played out beautifully. So now if you can go on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, initially on price was around these areas. I was waiting for price to give me out a continuation pattern that I can use as my entry, which price did present that continuation pattern. And I did enter on the breakout, just a few pips on the breakout, and my stops just a few pips above. And as you can see, price played out beautifully, giving me what a 6% profit on this trade alone, guys, which is very, very amazing, guys. And this played out super fast, guys. This only took, I think, less than 5 hours, guys. As you can see, played out very quickly, giving me what 6%. This is the power of trading, guys. That the fact that you can make what 6% in less than 5 hours just working from your internet and using your laptop, which is very, very amazing, guys. So this was a beautiful trade of the week, in my opinion. So now the next pair that I'm focusing on before the market closes is what the Great British Pound over the Japanese yen. So with this one, once again, higher time frame, this is what my impulsive movement, this is what my sideways corrective structure. So I'm anticipating for this to do what? To continue to impulse all the way to the downside. As you can see, impulse correction. I'm waiting for this to impulse. And as we're moving on to our mid-time frame, on the mid-time frame, we can see that structure even more clearer. As you can see, impulse correction, anticipating for this to drop all the way to the downside. And now coming on to my lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, what am I looking for? So I'm looking for price to give me what? A continuation structure that I can use to execute what my entry to ride that impulsive wave all the way to the downside. So I'm already having what my impulsive movement, all that is missing is just the sideways corrective structure with a minimum 2 swing highs, 2 swing lows for it to be a valid continuation. So I can enter a few pips away from the breakout, a few pips just above for my stop loss and my take profit all the way to the downside. So this is how I'm looking at what this trade on GBP, JPY, to enter this anticipating what that impulsive movement all the way to the downside. So yeah, guys, that's the market update for today. Nice and short, focusing on GBP for sales all the way to the downside. So yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of our session. Hopefully it was very informative and you did learn something, but I will continue to update you if GBP does give me an entry. But for now, we're mainly still eating profits from what Euro CHF, enjoying those profits. So even if we do take a loss on any other trades, we do have what 16% to cover any losses that might occur. But yeah, this is going to be the end of our session, and I will see you next time. Take care, guys.